Hello everyone, welcome back to Diya Prelims. And today in Diya Prelims we are going to discuss about very important topic from polity point of view. अभी पॉलिटी में क्या है फोकस यूपीएससी का कुछ नॉन कन्वेंशनल अनकन्वेंशनल और यू कैन से न्यू इन्फॉर्मेशन दे आर फोकसिंग अपॉन द न्यू इन्फॉर्मेशन जो हम डे टू डे लाइफ में देखते हैं. लक्ष्मीकांत में कुछ लिमिटेड चीजें दी गई हैं बट लाइक लास्ट ईयर देयर वाज अ क्वेश्चन ऑन जुडिशियल कस्टडी पुलिस कस्टडी. अब ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आप अपने ऑब्जर्वेशन से ही मार्क कर सकते हो. Today we are going to discuss about pre-arrest bail. ये भी आप अगर न्यूज़ पढ़ रहे हो then only you can mark it. We have already discussed about parole and furlough. आप you can check it in the playlist. You will get the video. So like this, we have also discussed the questions from polity from PYQs, जो कि थोड़े से अलग अप्रोच से हम लोगों ने हैंडल किया है. So just check it out on the playlist. You will get very good perspectives. So pre-arrest bail. होता क्या है एक क्वेश्चन की हेल्प से पहले वी विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड देन वी विल सी द डिस्कशन. सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन वी हैव. द क्वेश्चन इज कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग अबाउट प्री अरेस्ट बेल्स इन इंडिया which was in news recently. It can be granted only by Supreme Court or High Court. Second statement is it can be sought even before the FIR has been registered. FIR registered होने के पहले भी क्या इसको आप प्री अरेस्ट बिल ले सकते हैं? Yes or no? So which of the above statements are correct? Is or are correct? One only, two only, both or none? So in the meantime, you let us know your answer in the comment section, and we will proceed with the discussion, and we will see that why it was in news. So to discuss that why it was in news, this was the article. What is pre-arrest bail granted to Karnataka BJP MLA Madal Virupaksha in the corruption case, and he has been granted the pre-arrest bail by the High Court. Okay, and a decision which has been challenged in the Supreme Court by the state Lokayuk. So this is the story. Supreme Court on Tuesday, that is March 14th, today is March 16th, has agreed to hear the petition by Karnataka Lokayuk. So there are four stakeholders: Supreme Court, Karnataka Lokayuk, Karnataka High Court, and the BJP MLA Virupaksha. So BJP MLA विरूपाक्षा has been, उसके ऊपर कर्नाटका के जो लोकायुक्त हैं उन्होंने रेड किया and he has been found, it has been found that corruption charges and live पैसे का लेन देन हो रहा था and it was found. So Prevention of Corruption Act के अंदर charges लगाए गए हैं. What he has done, this person has he went to the Karnataka High Court and he has sought, he applied for the pre-arrest bail. He has got the pre-arrest bail as well. Now that has been challenged by the Karnataka Lokayukt in the Supreme Court कि एक पब्लिक सर्वेंट है और पब्लिक सर्वेंट को प्रिवेंशन ऑफ करप्शन एक्ट के अंदर सेक्शन 7 के अंदर उसको अरेस्ट किया गया. सेक्शन 7 के अंदर उसको चार्जेस लगाए गए हैं. प्री अरेस्ट बेल शुड नॉट बी गिवन. ओके, सो दिस इज द स्टोरी. Now if we have to talk about pre-arrest bail or in general about bail, so the story we have seen, the Karnataka High Court has granted the anticipatory or pre-arrest bail. So the pre-arrest bail is also known as the anticipatory bail. Okay, but the Justice Natarajan has told that subject to, we are giving the bail, but the subject is that you have to cooperate with the investigation agency और जो भी investigation process होगा उसमें आपको cooperate करना है. So that condition has been put on. If we talk about bail, bail has not been expressly defined in the Indian laws, but we have this code of criminal procedure. It differentiates between bailable and non-bailable offenses. Okay, so we have this code of criminal procedure which is guiding it, under which we get to know about different types of bails. Definition तो ऐसा नहीं है, but bailable and non-bailable offenses हैं. Based on that, the code of criminal procedure also defines 3 kinds of bails that can be granted. One is regular bail, interim bail and anticipatory bail. तो 3 टाइप्स हैं. रेगुलर बेल है, आप अरेस्ट किए जाते हो, आपके ऊपर चार्जेस लगाए जाते हैं, आप अरेस्ट किए जाते हो, सजा काटते हो और बेल पे आ जाते हो बाहर. सो दैट इज रेगुलर बेल. interim bail, short term bail, and this anticipatory or pre arrest bail is a different type. जब रेगुलर और एंटीसिपेटरी दोनों नहीं मिलता है सो लोग इंटरिम बेल पे जाते हैं बाहर. So the provision of this anticipatory bail was introduced under this section 438. So we have section 438 of CRPC which talks about the anticipatory bail, and it was introduced after the recommendation of 41st Law Commission, which told that sometimes we need to give the protection to the individual so that they can protect their individual liberty. It has been found that many times especially in politics, the opposition parties to settle their score वो क्या करते हैं, ऐसे charges में frame करते हैं और एक individual की liberty affect होती है. So Law Commission, 41st Law Commission in 1969 recommended that anticipatory bail का एक provision introduce किया जाना चाहिए. So it was added under this section 438 of CRPC. Okay, what else? So anticipatory bail, it can be granted under section 438 when any person has sufficient reasons to believe that he may be arrested or on an accusation having committed a non bailable offense. तो उसको अगर लग रहा है कि वो non bailable offense पे arrest किया जा सकता है, so he seeks the anticipatory bail. Who will grant it? So it will be granted. Who will grant it? High Court or Court of Sessions. So it's not that the statement was taken only by Supreme Court or High Court. No. High Court and the Court of Session under this section. Okay. And when, even if the actual arrest has not happened or the FIR has not been registered, ये हमें confuse कर सकता है कि अभी तो FIR ही नहीं हुई है. However anticipatory है, but at least FIR तो होनी चाहिए उसके लिए. But even before the FIR has been registered, a person can seek anticipatory bail. अगर उसको, if he or she has reasons to believe that he might have committed or accused for a non-bailable offense. And non-bailable offensive, when we say, they are more serious offenses, जहाँ पे at least 3 years का imprisonment or more punishment is given. If we talk about these bail options, state legislatures have the liberty or they have the power, they are empowered to amend certain provisions of CRPC. West Bengal, Maharashtra, they have amended. Uttarakhand, UP, they removed, earlier they have removed this, the clause of anticipatory bail. But again in 2019, जैसे यूपी ने तो 1976 में ही हटा दिया था, but in 2019 our President Ramnath Kovind approved the CRPC amendment of Uttar Pradesh. The bill in 2018 bill was approved. So again they have taken it, again उसको include किया है, reintroduced it. So अभी यहाँ 3-4 चीजें आपको ध्यान रखनी है. CRPC में है, लॉ कमीशन को ध्यान रखना है. You have to remember that states have their own power to amend it. We will get confused कि अच्छा स्टेट को ऐसी पावर क्यों है. So we have to remember states have this power to remove it or to introduce it. Before FIR also, before the actual arrest or before the FIR has been registered, before that itself it can be, we can go to High Court or the Sessions Court. ठीक है. So ये facts हैं, आपको पता होनी चाहिए, because UPSC will give it in the statements and we will be confused. So here now we have the answer. It can be granted only by Supreme Court, High Court, no, Sessions Court as well. It can be sought even before FIR has been registered. So this is true and the answer is B, 2 only. ठीक है. This is how you should prepare such questions, such areas, and especially have an eye, keep an eye on such current affairs जहाँ पे you think it can be a probable area where UPSC can ask questions. Because अभी लक्ष्मीकांत से जो traditional चीजें हैं, now they have exhausted or they know about it कि बहुत repetitive हो रहा है. Okay, this is it. And current affairs plays very important role. We have also started our current affairs course where we are covering the current affairs of 1.5 years. The course is there on our portal. You can go through the demo video. You can check the features in the description box. And it is very holistic. You don't have to worry about any newspaper. You don't have to worry about any compilation. We are discussing it in a question answer format. तो दिमाग में बैठ जाता है. ठीक है? So take charge of your current affairs. If you have fear of covering the current affairs, or current affairs plays very important role. You can check the orientation video there. I have discussed about it in detail. Okay? See you all. Take care. Take care of your health as well, because अभी थोड़ा weather transitions हो रहे हैं. So take care of your health. Abhi exams are approaching here, so we cannot afford to fall ill. Okay guys, see you all. Take care. Bye-bye.